Yo, what's up, everyone? Today, we're breaking down the slang term FM. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, FM is for me, used to express personal opinion or preference. People use it when they want to share what they think or feel about something directly. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different, depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. FM first showed up in the early 2000s in online chat rooms and texting culture. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among younger people who love quick, easy communication. Now let's check out how to use FM in a sentence. Correct example 1. That new song is really good FM. I think you'll like it too. Correct example 2. Honestly, FM. I'd rather stay home tonight. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said FM at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using FM right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. FM means for me, used to express personal opinion. It started in early 2000s texting, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with FM in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.